everyone. Tim and Mary here of the Knott Network. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
We are vlogging our Halloween festivities today. Our display, we all do to get it ready for the night.
And then all the tricks.
It's hunter's food.
Yes.
Did this other nights. The first 100 kids get at least 4 pieces of candy and a glow stick.
Yes.
And yeah, yes. First, we'll have a quick bite of some pizza, hunter's food. This is the Tim special here.
The Tim.
Sausage, jalapeno, and pepperoni and cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Round Table makes it the best, though. But this is the closest thing we got, so it's all good. So this year, going with a different approach. Instead of DJing, we're just gonna put the trick-or-treat table and decorations right here this year. It's a Tuesday night, so I don't really think as many people are gonna show up like on Saturdays and Fridays. The wind has done a little bit of damage. I'm gonna have to fix that in a little bit. We got laser swamp right here. Sam's got to be set up still. Mary's gonna decorate around here. And then look, there's a big guy right there. Look at that guy. Later. Mary is currently getting ready. She's doing some makeup. I'm still setting up some stuff. This is the block, the inside of the garage, and that's the screen that will be playing the Halloween visuals. And yeah, I'll show you guys some more. I'll show you guys some more decorations in a little bit. There's the cumulus that will be set up over behind here with the tube going out that way. But yeah, I gotta finish this and then, all right. Ooh, it's I think it's almost 5 o'clock. Yeah, it is now 5 o'clock. Here is the visuals. This is the back side of it. The black backdrop to hide the garage. The cumulus is set up over there. I got laser swamp things set up over here. This is playing the music and controlling the fog geysers or up foggers. This is the makeup green area. This is our little crafty area and food and stuff like that. Trick-or-treat candy. That is water for the cumulus. There's the cumulus. Here's what it looks like outside. It goes out there. Here's the front. This is the snack table. Elvira fell over. It's a little windy right now. Once it gets dark, could actually turn things on. Fire pit for later. That's for later when it's not windy anymore. All right, let's see what Mary looks like. Look at her.
I got my gloves off because I'm making postages to the Instagram.
This is funny. She looks great, doesn't she?
Oh, thank you.
The wind's messing up our style over here.
It's a thing.
But this is our trick-or-treat table. Normally, yeah, I DJ over here, but this time it's a little different. This year, we also got laser swamp right there. It's hard to see it, but there it is. And there's a fog machine for this guy. There's an up fogger over there. There's a big fog machine back there, and I also got a little one. Oh yeah, there's a couple of fog machines going. Hopefully the wind dies down. It should have been dying down by now, actually. I think 6 is when it's really gonna die down. But people should start coming soon, so this is a little back area where we're storing stuff. This is extra fog juice, glow sticks, some chalk. Yeah, this is all a mess. There's also Elvira right there. We have everything down right now because the wind. That spray, by the way, smells like
I
cupcakes.
love it. It's
wearing scent. And where's our cauldrons? I gotta go find those. I don't know where those got left. I think I should start to get ready now. All right. Everything's pretty much ready now. I need to get ready. Actually, I gotta make sure the geyser program is working. Now I'm gonna get ready. Eventually. Alright guys, Mary is...
Hello, I'm terrifying the neighborhood as the Queen Mary's Takaba Ringmaster!
Oh my gosh, it's too funny, isn't it? And look at how foggy it is, guys.
Literally, one woman ran away from me when I told her I got this from a werewolf.
I had to turn down the big machines because it's, as you can see, pretty foggy. I like it as foggy as Ghost Town. But yes, there's this is what our trick-or-treat table looks like at night. There's Elvira. There's Sam. 50th anniversary picture. Susan, our lantern. We got a swamp laser going on here. It works when it's not windy. It's kind of windy today though. Mary's too funny right now.
There's a lot of fish from the
Oh, Mary. So yeah, this is how my end result today. I just did a hoodie, or not a hoodie, it's like a onesie, skeleton onesie. And I'm like burning up, even though it's supposed to be cold tonight. And then there's Mary's having fun being the ringmaster.
Me, children!
It's too funny. And it's nice and foggy. And this is a lot more easier this year. Oh, Mary changed Sam. What time is it? Is it already 9 o'clock?
It is 8:13.
Oh, that's it?
I was in the mood to change his head.
Recognize this pumpkin, everybody? That's the Knott Network Haunt Season pumpkin. I got it put on a gobo. I was gonna get the whole logo. I will eventually, but this is all I could get this season. Yes.
You're welcome! I think he should have like that.
Alright, we've almost given out all the glow stick bags, so now I'm gonna load up with regular candy bags. Each bag has about like 4 pieces of candy. We like to give out like party bag favors. There's cars everywhere. Uh-oh.
Oh, hello!
Make a hole! Like there's Megan. She knows nothing.
She knows nothing.
She knows nothing of it. She's unfazed. Mary is enjoying this Halloween. It must be the Hunter's Moon. How? Oh yeah, there's still another cauldron filled ringmaster. It's time for a golf cart ride.
Hello! We are driving around the neighborhood, children. Oh, Spicy's up tonight. Look at him. It's a scooter. It's Marty McFly, y'all.
Like the black light.
The Hessian is out tonight. Watch your heads, children.
It's a hunter's moon. Or it's a hunter's chicken.
Yes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's cold.
It is cold.
It's cold. We're heading back to the
So
car. So things have died down. It's 10:30 now. This is behind in the garage. This is the screen playing our visuals, which is basically a mix of all things Halloween that we always add a little bit to every year. This is all that's controlling. Little laptop controlling the geysers and playing music. Nothing fancy going on this year. It's our makeup room. And this is our little, like, I don't know. Oh yeah, crafty kinda. That's like the geyser. It's over here. Let's go over there. The geyser is right here. If you guys can see it. I'll take you outside in a little bit. Some neighbors are still over right now. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's Froggy's swamp juice. That is crazy stuff. Actually. So that is Quick Blast. I normally get Chave juice. That's spraying swamp juice. And then this one's just spraying like regular, like, I mean, it's high dense, but not as crazy as that stuff. But as it gets later, it tends to just hang around. I'll probably leave them on for just a little longer. This is like a backstage area. All the totes from the, you saw this earlier. Oh, there's my Build-A-Bear buddy. It's kind of dark. Oh, back here, though. It's a bug candle. We get mosquitoes around here. Swamp laser effect. See? Check it out. Isn't that cool? I added more. it's been a good night though. Not as crazy as last year, but it looks like the haze bubbles are still going. The fog bubbles, those are a big hit. The biggest hit actually was the low lane fogger with the swamp lasers. Yeah, the kids love that the most. Check out that moon too. Wow. It's been a fun Halloween though. Been a fun season. But it's time to pack it up and get ready for Christmas. Oh no. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 11:30. We now have a movie playing. The neighbors have left. A little bit of candy. We didn't overdo it this year. Fire's going. I need to add more wood. Still got the fog going because we might as well enjoy it, right? Mary still got her makeup on.
I took off the wig because wigs bother me.
Ah, that looks scary. I took off some of my makeup. It was driving me nuts. Anyways, so it's about 20 minutes till. Yes, we got the mummy. The Mummy Returns is on. This fog is cool, but it's cold when it comes out. And it drinks water. It's still running off the same tank of juice. The ones that I obviously, again, have to fill up are the big boys a lot. And the little ones, too. But the geysers, they probably are fine. That, actually, the double hazer, where is it? It's not really running that good right now. But I always have issues with the bubble hazer, bubble fogger, but I only had to fill that thing up once. I'm probably going to go up there and turn those off right now, actually. But your fire is dying. Why don't you tell me where he is? Mary was a hoot tonight as the ringmaster. Now this is like the thing, man. This thing, see, this is like essentially cold. Well, I hope it is right now. I gotta go check and see if it's got water in it. I just put some in. I'll check right now. The old behind the scenes. Let's turn it off. Ooh. I don't know why it gets so foamy in there sometimes. Yeah, it needs more water. Like I said, this thing drinks water. It's crazy. So I don't know what the deal is with all the bubbles, but the water's flowing. The chamber's tapping. All right, let's shut this. Anyways, this thing drinks distilled water a lot. This, actually, it could use some more juice. For once, it needs more juice. Well, has it already had a juice? No way. Huh. Jeez. Well, I didn't really put that much in it. This thing's a problem child, though, I swear. It's running okay. I'm gonna turn it off, though. Check out that pump, the Knott's Network pumpkin. Isn't that cool? And then there's bats way over there. I'm gonna turn these all off right now. Look at the moon. So cool. Anyways, fog bubbles for the win. I'm gonna do a little cleaning cycle for a little bit. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the second level. Everything's gonna go off soon, but we'll turn it back on. Man, I like how foggy it is, though. And of course, at midnight, the air is deadly still. Right, Mary? This thing sounds like it actually ran through juice. Turn her off. Let's turn it. It did, wow. All right, I'm turning it off. Lasted all night, though. All right, guys, it's now midnight. I'm gonna turn off all the fog machines. We turned, normally the lights go off and all that stuff, but I turned it back on so we could enjoy it while we're out here cleaning up a little bit of things. All right, guys, it's probably 1 o'clock in the morning, right?
Yeah.
The fire is really dying.
It's 1:10.
Oh yeah, And there's the fleet of fog machines. We're gonna put everything in the garage for the night, and then some of our friends are gonna come by tomorrow and check out the display, and we're gonna watch spooky movies.
Yes.
So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in.
Yes, thank you.
My name's Tim.
And I'm Mary.
Way the Nuts Network. Thanks so much for checking out our Halloween
Yes.
night vlog, Halloween vlog.
Yes.
Then we also want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters: Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, Starport 55, Crow Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, and Jackson. Also a special shout out to David the Psychic.
Woo!
See y'all next video.
Bye-bye.